guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you where to find the eggs to complete this event, the egg hunt event. Okay, let's go. The first one is on here, over here, and the second one is gonna be, wait guys, here at the back of the bridge there. And next we are going to go to the Candyland. So okay, for here there is a candy egg over here. Jump there, and I will show you now the chocolate egg. Okay, there, jump here, jump there. There you go. Now we're going to the Toyland. I'll show you the plastic egg and the wooden egg. Okay, so we'll be right back when if I am in that Toyland. But I mean, nah. Oh no, sure guys. I'm here at the Toyland. Wait a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So the plastic egg is here. I mean, wait. Oh no. Let me bubble gravity this. Oh no, it's high. Wait. We'll be right back again. Okay, bye guys. We're back. So hop here and hop there. There's the plastic egg. And go in this first tree. There is a wooden egg. Then let's go to the beach land. Okay. Sorry for that. Like that. The ads. Okay. So we are in the beach world now. So yeah. And I will show you the, what is this called again? Beach egg. The beach egg is over here, and the coconut egg is here. Wait. Is here. Okay. And now the final two eggs is the golden egg and the bubble egg. Then okay. We'll be see you guys in the. Okay guys, now we are in the Atlantis world. So here is the bubble egg and there is the golden egg. Then that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below your name in Roblox so I can add you. Okay. Bye guys.